Large language models are language models built using very large datasets and deep learning technology. Large scale refers to the fact that the models are built by significantly increasing three factors: computational complexity, amount of data, and number of parameters. This approach stands in contrast to traditional natural language models. Large language models are attracting attention around the world because they enable fluent human-like speech and enable a variety of processing using natural language with high precision. A language model is a probabilistic model that assigns probabilities to sequences of words. For example, when we consider a predictive model that guesses whether an image is a cat or not, it assigns a high probability of a cat to an image close to a cat and a low probability of a cat to an image close to a dog. Similarly, the language model assigns high probabilities to more natural sentence sequences and lower probabilities to sentence sequences that do not make sense as sentences. These language models themselves have a long history. In 2018, Google announced BERT, which is a language model with a new architecture using deep learning technology. BERT is superior to conventional technology in that it captures the meaning of an entire text, and it is easy to improve accuracy by increasing the scale. Since Google's announcement, a number of language models applying BERT have been developed, and their practical range has been expanding rapidly. A large language model is a language model where three factors, which are computational complexity, amount of data, and number of model parameters, are scaled up. Computational complexity is the amount of work a computer processes, and the amount of data is the amount of information in the text data entered into the computer. The number of model parameters refers to the richness of parameters specific to deep learning technology, that is, the aggregate of coefficients used to perform probability calculations. Large language models evolved rapidly by making these three factors huge. The giant expansion of these factors was described in a paper, published by OpenAI, in 2020. The paper proposed that the performance of natural language models and these three factors are increasing exponentially. OpenAI has succeeded in generating extremely accurate large language models by significantly making these three factors huge. ChatGPT, introduced in November 2022, is a type of large language model that significantly enhances the quality of responses in natural language through significantly better reception. Large language models are expected to be applied to a variety of tasks using natural language, such as chatbots, search engines, translations, customer feedback analysis, meeting minutes generation, and sentence summaries. Large language models have overwhelming performance, but there are issues that remain to be resolved. It has been pointed out that there is a phenomenon called hallucination, in which false information is output nonchalantly, and that there is a problem of prompt injection, in which malicious prompts are used to unlock functions that were originally prohibited to obtain an improper answer. Along with performance improvements, research is underway to overcome these issues.